Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics, and I am so happy to show you some beautiful fabric from Island Batik. Now and again, there is a collection that just captures my attention like no other, and this really has done that. And just look at the amazing quilt, what is possible with these fabrics. This is called Full Bloom by Island Batik. Authentic Bali batiks. There is nothing like that. And look at the beautiful presentation of these pre-cuts. So we now have the opportunity on our website, certain companies, Moda, and now this collection as well, to pre-order these pre-cuts because there's such limited supply. So let me just start off here on this with our strips, right? If you haven't made a beautiful jelly roll rug, or maybe many of the patterns that use their jelly roll friendly, be sure to pick up the 2.5-inch strips. I've never seen layer cakes or 10-inch squares folded this way. The elegance of this cannot be just, it's amazing. They not only have this beautiful echelon, but the way they folded them back, it's almost like a decoration in your sewing room. So if you love working with 10-inch squares for pre-cut projects, be sure to pick those up. Fat quarters, right? Fat quarter friendly patterns are everywhere. Easy as ABC, 1, 2, 3, Yellow Brick Road, and so on and so forth. And just to have, because maybe somewhere down the road, your perfect pattern for these fabrics will appear. Maybe it hasn't even been designed yet. So I definitely wanted to mention about getting the pre-cuts because they're very limited. We'll also be bringing in the yardage for that, so if you have something else in mind. Of course, the quilt behind me, Full Bloom Block of the Month, 10 months, stunning, so much fun, prefused laser cut, making it so fun and easy to put the blocks together that even a beginner can be successful on this. Lots coming our way in spring 2024 as these amazing fabrics arrive into our building. So be sure to get your pre-cuts, maybe even sign up for the Block of the Month. Get on the list to be notified when that yardage comes in, and I'll see you soon on another Shabby video.